ba na about sa BRP po na maayos pa po yun kasi parang yun ang pinakaano ng China yun yung dahilan ng pagbubomba kasi di ba yung mga supply na dadalhin doon yun po ang talagang nila pinaka
hinaharang na yan
nila tuwing may supply na pupunta sa BRP.
Well, una sa lahat, no, the intention of then President Espada to aground etong BRP Sierra Madre na Ayungin is the real mission and purpose of that president. Na isadsad talaga ang BRP Sierra Madre dito. Kaya ang sagot dyan sa tanong na maayos pa ba natin ang BRP Sierra Madre para lumutang? Hindi na natin yung malulutangin. No? Diyan na talaga siya. No? Ang contention lang ng China every time that we provide construction materials ay sinasabi niya meron daw lihim na kasunduan. Parang love affair lang. Secret. Pero nangyari daw. Ang statement na naman ng ating Pangulo dito, going back as early as last year, no? He has already mentioned that even if whether there is an existing gentleman's agreement or wala, no? He is already rescinding it. As the chief architect of the foreign policy of our government, President Bongbong Marcos has already rescinded this kind of agreement. At kami naman, no, sa Philippine Coast Guard, parang feeling namin it's wrong to have that kind of secret deal kung saan sasabihin natin hindi na tayo magdadala ng construction materials dito. Kasi, para sa amin, kung ikaw, you would have that kind of secret agreement with China, ibig sabihin, pumapayag ka na ang China, kapag hindi natin inayos ang BRP Sierra Madre, eventually kakalawangin, magkukulaps, edi there will come a point na wala na tayong presensya dito. No? Secondly, ibig sabihin, it's okay with you na ma-endanger natin ang kaligtasan ng ating mga kasundaluhan na nandito. Di ba? So, as far as the national government is concerned as well, hindi na namin ino-honor itong mga ganitong complaint ng China. Ang Ayungin Shoal falls within our exclusive economic zone. It's immaterial for them to make such complaint. Una sa lahat, that so-called agreement was already rescinded. And most importantly, ang Ayungin Shoal falls within our exclusive economic zone.
Sir, sa tingin niyo po ba sa panahon ni Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos, may pag-asa pa bang mabawi yung mga teritoryo ng Pilipinas na kinamkam ng China katulad po ng Scarborough Shoal?
Well, una sa lahat, no? We really need to appreciate, no, the efforts and the commitment of President Bongbong Marcos that what he said during his first State of the Nation address, that he's not going to surrender a square inch of our territory to any foreign power, is something na talagang ginagawa niya talaga. No? He never really gets tired in bringing the issue of the West Philippine Sea every time na bumibisita siya sa other countries. No? For us to be able to strengthen and receive the support of the international community in the West Philippine Sea. Kung ang tanong natin, sa administrasyon bang ito, by 2028 is we're going to be able to have the total and effective control of Bajo de Masinloc in 2028. Kung ako tatanungin mo, sir, personally, I wish na sana mangyari ito sa panahon ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. But then again, ang issue ng laban na to is not just going to be decided by the Philippine government. We still need to consider kung China would really be able to give way for the Philippines para okupahan at siguraduhin meron pa rin tayong control dito sa Bajo de Masinloc. But for us, that's our main objective. Kung hindi man natin makuha ito sa panahon ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, ang objective ng transparency strategy, because we understand that our fight for the West Philippine Sea is a long game. It will definitely go beyond, no, sa pamumuno ng ating Pangulong Marcos until 2028. The objective of this transparency strategy is to make sure na ang mga kababayan nating Pilipino will be informed about what's really at stake in the West Philippine Sea. Para sa susunod na eleksyon ng 2028, malaman ng mga Pilipino kung ano ang kahalagahan natin ng laban ng West Philippine Sea. And to make sure na ang susunod na kapalit ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos by 2028 ay hindi Pangulo na magkakaroon uli ng another secret agreement na Pangulo na hindi mas pipiliing mapalapit sa China, kundi isang Pangulo na itutuloy ang paniniwala ng ating mabutihing Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na ang West Philippine Sea, ito ay para sa Pilipinas.